Elephant.
An elephant is a big animal, so write B for big.
B.
Dog.
A dog is a small animal, so write S for small.
S.
Apple.
An apple is a small fruit, so write S for small.
S.
Pineapple.
A pineapple is a big fruit, so write B for big.
B.
Chick.
A chick is a small bird, so write S for small.
S.
Hen.
A hen is a big bird, so write B for big.
B. Bus.
A bus is a big vehicle, so write B for big.
B.
Car.
A car is a small vehicle, so write S for small.
S.
Pumpkin.
A pumpkin is a big vegetable, so write B for big.
B.
Onion.
An onion is a small vegetable, so write S for small.
S.
Cricket ball. A cricket ball is small, so write S for small.
S.
Basketball.
A basketball is big, so write B for big.
B.
Rat.
A rat is a small animal, so write S for small.
S.
Cat.
A cat is a big animal, so write B for big.
B.
Man's hand. A man's hand is big, so write B for big.
B.
Baby's hand. A baby's hand is small, so write S for small.
S.
Eagle.
An eagle is a big bird, so write B for big.
B.
Sparrow.
A sparrow is a small bird, so write S for small.
S.
Cell phone. A cell phone is small, so write S for small.
S.
Laptop. A laptop is big, so write B for big.
B.
Whale. A whale is big animal, so write B for big.
B.
Frog.
A frog is a small animal, so write S for small.
S.
Mosquito. A mosquito is a small insect, so write S for small.
S.
Butterfly.
A butterfly is a big insect, so write B for big.
B.
Rose.
A rose is a small flower, so write S for small.
S.
Sunflower.
A sunflower is a big flower, so write B for big.
B.
Bungalow. A bungalow is a big house, so write B for big.
B.
A hut is a small house, so write S for small.
S.
Thank you. Happy learning.